If you are thinking quitting the job because you don't learn anything from your job, listen to this story. Hi, my name is Louis. I used to hire a PhD as an analyst in my department. And this analysis is the first job. And what the thing that I'm going to give this PhD guy doing is very simple. Every day, he's going to copy and paste, send out the email. After exactly 3 months, this PhD come into my room. Louis, I'm going to quit my job. I'm not going to learn anything. My job is so simple, copy and paste. I feel very boring for my job. I'm going to quit. I get the PhD to sit down and I talk to him. The questions that I ask the PhD is simple. You have been doing that for 3 months, copy and paste. Let me ask you this. Who is our best salesman in these 3 months? What is my average volume for the past 3 months? And who is the worst salesman for the past 3 months? These 3 simple questions, this PhD couldn't answer any single one. So then I talked to the PhD guy. Very obvious, although you are doing the job every day, you are not learning the job every day. Now, this moral of the story is, if you today you think that your job is boring, you are going to quit the job. Let me tell you this, not every job is going to fulfill you every day. But the main point is, you need to understand what is the thing that you need to learn. Use your heart to think about what is the thing that you need to learn into your job. Don't give up. You will find something very powerful into your job, which is you always neglect, you always ignore, just like the PhD guy. If you want to get yourself to understand the job, of course, it's not copy and paste. But the job is going to give you a better salary is what is the number inside. What is the number inside is going to give you a better salary. Okay? I hope this video is going to help you. If you think this video you like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you soon. Bye.